Hi friends, welcome back. Good evening. I'm Dr. Ritu Ahel and you're watching me live on my weekend webcast at my Facebook page Ahel Dental Clinic, Jammu. Welcome back and wish you all a very happy Red Cross Day. As we all know, Red Cross has been a symbol of compassion and service to mankind in all these years. Now, besides Red Cross, in these days of crisis, there are so many organizations that have risen above the uh, matters of caste, color, religion, etc., and have risen to offer the service to mankind. So, big salute to all of them. Jumping back to my topic for today, we are going to talk about dental caps. Dental caps is the term that normally people use for a dental crown, right? So we dentists usually call it a dental crown, and a layman would generally call it a dental cap. So, what is the function of a dental cap, first of all? Dental cap is similar to a cap that we wear over our head, and it covers the head in any uh, so a dental cap would be something that is covering the teeth. Now, what function does it serve? So the first function would be beautification. Okay, if the tooth is discolored or chipped off or broken off, you can hide that, camouflage it with a dental cap, right? Something like this. The second function of a dental cap would be to give strength to the tooth. You know, essentially like this. Once the tooth is broken again, and or it is too small a tooth, so then or preferably after root canal treatments or intensive decays, then we give a cap to the tooth. And at times, a dental cap serves both purpose, that is beautification along with strength. So there you go. Now you know what a dental cap does, right? The types of dental caps and the categories, everything I will be discussing in my subsequent webcasts over the weekends. Today I would just like to tell you briefly about what all we do when we ask you to go in for a dental cap. So essentially, a dental cap procedure would be of two visits. Visit one would encompass a whole lot of things where we prepare the tooth, we take the size of the tooth, that is called impression making. We take the shade of the tooth to match with your existing shades, and then we send that to the lab. Uh, the second visit would be when the crown or the cap, when it comes from the lab, we just need to cement it in your mouth after doing some minor adjustments. So that is what it all takes for a dental cap to be fitted in. Um some of you might be wondering as to, if it's the front tooth especially, that, once you have cut off a little part of a tooth, how can we step out of the clinic without any crown or anything over it? Please remember that we always need to give you provisional or temporary crowns. The function of a provisional or temporary crown uh, is to uh, just a sec, please. I'll just take this call. Yeah. Okay. So the function was talking about, the function of a provisional crown is essentially to give you the aesthetics back and the function back. The other function of the temporary crown is that if it is in a back tooth, it does not allow the other teeth to move into its place. So that even if the crown is, or if there's a gap in the tooth for about even for 24 hours, the teeth move into that place. So when the permanent crown comes, then we have difficulty in putting it back. So that's about what a permanent crown, a temporary crown would serve you a purpose for. So please remember, and the third function of a temporary crown would also be that if we are giving you a crown for a temporary tooth, it will decrease the sensitivity. So we will not have any sensations to hot and cold. Um, so that's what a temporary crown does for you. So please remember to ask your dentist for a temporary crown or a provisional crown once you go in for a crowning. That is of utmost importance, right? So we'll be discussing more about dental crowns in my subsequent webcast. And for any chance, if you want me to discuss any other topics that you feel you want to know more about, you please write it to me in my comment box, and I will surely take it up in my subsequent webcast. In the meantime, please, if you like these, do share it with your friends and relatives. Wish you all a safe and a happy weekend. Bye bye.